Hello, my name is Andreas Brandt and I am Global Portfolio Manager for Grid Components at ABB. Today I'm excited to share an example of effective partner collaboration to enable mutual business growth. This trustful collaboration involves ABB and NEPSI. NEPSI, a member of the American Superconductor Company in Massachusetts in the United States. NEPSI is recognized as a leading supplier for reliable and customized medium voltage metal enclosed reactive power solutions. Based on NEPSI's application expertise and their real innovative spirit and comprehensive design capabilities for fully integrated enclosed solutions, alongside with ABB's advanced research, development and industrialization capabilities for smart, dedicated medium voltage circuit breakers, a new transient-free and more compact reactive power compensation solution has been launched. Please stay tuned as Paul Steciuk now will give you the details of the complete journey how NEPSI and ABB work together to set a new market standard that meets the evolving needs of their customer for safe, fast and reliable integration of renewable power into the electrical grid. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Paul Steciuk, Managing Director at NEPSI. I would like to talk to you today about how a simple conversation with ABB sparked the development of a revolutionary medium voltage circuit breaker, the VD4CS. And I would like to share with you our experience with its successful rollout. For those who do not know NEPSI, we are a supplier of reactive compensation solutions, and more specifically, medium voltage metal enclosed capacitor banks and harmonic filter banks. We supply industrial, electric utility, and renewable power systems worldwide. Our fully integrated solutions contain all switching, all protection, and all control functions. Prior to our collaboration with ABB to develop a tailor-made product answering to our needs, we faced a major challenge. There was no dedicated circuit breaker solution to meet the technical requirements of capacitive load switching, and it was from that challenge that the story of the development of the VD4CS began. During ABB's ACW conference in March of 2019, ABB reached out to their industry partners and customers to discuss product line gaps and industry needs. They asked us, what product do you need to enhance your business? I spoke of the need for a reliable, transient-free capacitor switching device at 38 kV. One that would be suitable for switching large capacitor banks typically used in the renewables industry, including solar PV power plants and wind farms. Many system designers struggle with the challenges inherent with switching capacitive loads. Why? Because of the magnitude and frequency of the inrush currents involved and the requirement for reliable, restrike-free switching for frequent operations that exceed the ratings of standard medium voltage distribution circuit breakers. In some cases, these inrush currents can damage devices, accelerate the aging of the involved assets, and even impact the power quality and reliability of the network. Without a dedicated circuit breaker to address these challenges, we were forced to use transient inrush reactors. This scenario increased equipment costs and complexity, and it was not a foolproof solution. You see, in renewable power plants, we often have capacitor banks with switching requirements in excess of 15 megavars, and we have multi-stage systems exceeding 60 megavars. The number of vendors supplying switching devices at this voltage level was limited, and their lead times were prohibitively long. So the introduction of a new circuit breaker for capacitor bank switching, incorporating new technology, would be welcomed. ABB listened to our needs and understood the void in the marketplace. The result was the revolutionary VD4CS, a game-changing solution that drives efficiencies and optimizes overall project costs, all while ensuring the best possible performance. It's remarkable that a simple question and a relaxed conversation led to the development of a completely new, industry-first medium voltage circuit breaker designed to meet the complex challenges of capacitive load switching. ABB fully developed and tested their new circuit breaker in just 17 months, That's amazing. The new VD4CS breaker uses quantum leap servo actuation and innovative vacuum interrupter technology to provide flawless, synchronous, inrush current-free operation of capacitor banks to 40 megavars per stage at voltages up to 38 kV. That's truly a significant accomplishment. In August of 2020, NEPSI piloted this new VD4CS into two 3-stage 40.5 megavar metal enclosed power capacitor banks, having back-to-back capacitor branches of 13.5 megavars each. For sure, a challenging test for this new breaker. Did it work? Yes, the VD4CS delivered transient-free capacitor switching. It required no pre-insertion resistors, no special relay, and no transient inrush reactors. NEPSI is now routinely installing this switching device in our systems as part of our standardized solution, and it is now preferred by our customer base. What do we like most about the VD4CS? Well, we have quite a long list, but just to mention a few of the highlights. First is both a switch and a breaker, which eliminates the need for a separate feeder breaker. A significant cost savings right there. Secondly, the VD4CS eliminates the need for transient inrush reactors while increasing the operating life of the capacitors by more than 10%. Next, the VD4CS significantly reduces the cost of the capacitor bank because it has a lifespan 5 times market standard. It simply lasts longer, all with predictive health indication. And lastly, because the VD4CS does not use pre-insertion resistors to mitigate switching transients, we can keep them in stock and deliver on short lead time requirements. NEPSI thanks ABB for their efforts in understanding our challenges and for working with us in developing a solution that fully meets our product needs. We look forward to continuing our collaboration with ABB on future enhancements and new products.